Crispy fried chicken wings recipe, let's make it. 2.2 pounds chicken wings. Wash them with water. Dry wings using a paper towel. One and a quarter teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. 1 teaspoon of paprika. 1 teaspoon of onion powder, optional. 3/4 teaspoon of black pepper. 1/4 teaspoon of chicken powder seasoning or magic sarap. 1½ tablespoon of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of calamansi extract or lemon juice. Mix well. One small beaten egg. Mix well. Marinate for at least 4 hours or overnight. Refrigerate. 4 hours later. One and a half tablespoon of flour. 8 tablespoons of cornstarch. Add the cornstarch mixture to the chicken. Mix well. Ready for frying. Heat the cooking oil. Make sure the oil is hot enough for frying. Deep fry the chicken wings until golden brown, low-medium heat. Flip to cook the other side. Remove the chicken wings from the pan. Double fry the chicken wings for 1 to 2 minutes. Remove the chicken wings from the pan. Bon appetit! Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.